Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about how choosing different senior living options can be as easy as choosing your top in the morning for work. First, I'm Jenny Reynolds with Graceful Guidance, and I realize that a lot of people have some misconceptions and misunderstandings about all the different options of senior living. And I was just explaining it the other day and realizing people need to understand that there are different options and different price ranges and different levels of care when it comes to senior living. So I'm going to start by telling you about the first option, which I consider to be like the tank top of senior living, and that's independent living apartments. So in independent living, the senior buys their own groceries, meals are sometimes provided, and that's about it. Maybe they have some activities, maybe not, but people generally don't need help with their medications or with their personal care. It's really, like it says, pretty independent, like free-flowing tank top. The second option is going to be what I consider to be like a short sleeve shirt. So if you chose to wear a short sleeve shirt, it would be assisted living. So that's the next level up, a little bit more support. And that level is basically when an older adult needs help with medications and meals. So assisted living, the caregivers administer the medications to the resident, and the facility provides 3 meals a day, congregate meals. They can do more care, such as some help with showers or help sometimes going to the bathroom. But it's relatively limited, and it's personal care help is available, but not always utilized or often utilized. It's mainly assisted living. This t-shirt brand of senior living care is medications administered for that older adult, and meals, 3 meals a day are given. The third option for senior living is what I would call the long sleeve shirt. So in the morning, you're getting ready for work and you decide, it's kind of chilly today, I'm going to put on a long sleeve shirt. That's memory care. So that's a step up from the t-shirt. It's a little bit more support. And what memory care is, it's kind of like a leveled up assisted living. So memory care is for often older adults with memory issues or dementia symptoms or a disease causing some dementia or cognitive impairment. And in a memory care unit, there's a higher ratio of caregivers to residents than in assisted living. So in an assisted living, there might be 1 caregiver to every 11 residents. And in a memory care community, there might be 1 caregiver to 6 or 7 residents. So the caregivers can provide more one-on-one sort of intensive care to the residents. And they're more trained specifically in dementia care. So they have a little higher level of skill regarding their dementia knowledge and training. And in addition to that, they also have more specialized activities for dementia. So they might have activity staff that are geared just toward residents with dementia and specific activities for those residents at a memory care community. So that is the long sleeve shirt option. There's one more option, the fourth option, which would be the highest level of senior living option in terms of the care that one gets. It's for somebody with the highest medical need. So you need the most warmth that morning, that cold Colorado morning. So that's going to be your sweater, and that's a nursing facility. Nursing facility is the highest level of care, and what's different about a nursing facility is the level of skill of the caregivers. So it's more like nursing. Nurses are there 24/7 providing regular care to the residents. There's also a higher level of skill of the caregiver. So instead of a regular care provider, they are a certified nursing assistant. And when a resident might be most likely to need a nursing facility is when their medical acuity is so high that they need a lot of medical support. Maybe they have a need for an ongoing feeding tube, or maybe they need 2 caregivers to help them every time they get in and out of bed or in and out of a chair. Maybe they're wheelchair bound and just need a lot of ongoing one-on-one care. Maybe they need help every time they go to the bathroom, every time they need their Depends changed. They can't do that themselves anymore. Or maybe it's just really supportive of them to have that sort of medically trained staff with them all the time because they have a lot of frequent health issues that come up over and over and over and need that level of support. Those are the 4 different types of senior living options in a nutshell. And it can be as easy as just choosing your clothing in the morning, but these pieces of clothing are very different. So I wouldn't wear one of these if it's a hot summer day, I'm not gonna wear this sweater. Just like if a resident is only really needing help with medications and meals, I'm not gonna recommend a nursing facility, but I'd probably instead recommend something like an assisted living, a t-shirt. So hopefully that's helpful. I'm Jenny Reynolds with Graceful Guidance, and you have a great day.